Hey, yo, so why are you sitting like that, bro?
Oh, my fault, bro.
Anyways, what I was saying was, so that influencer product video that we did like really good. I said we run it back and we do another like a whole bunch of influencer products again.
I mean, but what products would we do this time?
Or we do Airrack's Pizzafy sauce. Yo, real influencer shit right here. You see that? You see that? You guys don't know nothing about the focus. You guys know nothing about the focus. Jalapeno bacon pinto beans by Dude Perfect. Then we have MrBeast bar, MrBeast cookies. Then we have the Hot Ones sauce.
Wow, that was close. He's about to be like, we had the Hot Ones. Wait,
so this one has every single like hot sauce on the table of Hot Ones. Mm-hmm. So I'm thinking we just run through them real quick, but I want them to try like the last dab, which is the hottest sauce. Oh, you know what? Let me order MrBeast burger real quick. All right, so MrBeast burger. Let's see. All right. There's a $4 delivery fee. 51-minute delivery time? Yo, Abraham's gonna fucking kill me. I'm not even. I told him it'd be 15 minutes, bro. All right, yo, get this call real quick. Hey, Abraham, nah. So I just ordered the MrBeast burger. It said 51 minutes.
Why? Why so long?
I don't know. That's what it said.
Okay. Oh, it is what it is, I guess.
Oh, okay, cool. All right, that went better than anticipated. Well, now I can order. I'm thinking about getting one Nashville hot chicken tender sandwich, one crispy chicken sandwich. You guys want 2 grilled cheeses or 1?
2.
A MrBeast burger. Should we get chocolate chip cookies? That's their MrBeast dessert.
Sure. Is it different than the Feastable cookies? We can actually put that to the test.
So we got 2 grilled cheeses, a MrBeast burger, no cheese, MrBeast burger with cheese, 4 fries, chocolate chip cookie, chicken sandwich, a Nashville hot chicken sandwich for $107.
Oh, that's not bad.
Wait, record that. Record that and be like, you seriously ordered food, bro.
Well, you said it was gonna take an hour, bro.
You know how much food I ordered $111 worth of food plus beans, bro.
Bro, it's free delivery, bro.
What food is that?
Yum yum sauce, spring roll, hibachi chicken, and steak.
Oh, Jamaican?
Yeah, Jamaican food, yeah.
Why?
It's my favorite kind.
Alright guys, so finally got the DoorDash in. That shit took an hour. Abraham's definitely gonna complain about that. Let's go and think about what I think he's gonna think of these. I think he's gonna think the hottest sauce of this is like hot, but I think he's gonna be like, that's so unnecessary. Like he's not gonna react the way that most people react, where just like he's just gonna be like, damn, that's hot, but it's like unenjoyable. Alright, then we have the jalapeno bacon beans from Dude Perfect. I think he's gonna not try these because he doesn't eat bacon or any pork. But what I did do is I got another one from the brand, like the same brand that they collaborated with. And this is Dr. Pepper, just so like he has an idea of what the beans could be like. And then we'll try the real ones. The thing is, we're not gonna heat these up, so let's see how that goes, bro. So, let's see how that goes.
Y'all got it.
Then Pizzafy sauce, I think he's gonna think the marketing on this is really good. Because it says turn anything into pizza, which I think is like making someone question and curious as to what it is. I have a feeling this is gonna taste like Millionaire sauce, and he's gonna be like, yeah, I mean, it is what it is. So these MrBeast cookies are vegan. I have a feeling he's gonna be like, these are absolute ass. And I think they're probably gonna be absolute ass. So these are plant-based and gluten-free. I never heard those 2 things together and make them taste good, you know what I mean? Then we have MrBeast bar, and these are dark chocolate because he only ever makes dark chocolate. He makes like normal like milk chocolate, but it's all like dark chocolate based because it's like healthy. It's like milk, they're all plant-based. I don't know if you know this about Abraham, but Abraham really only likes white chocolate, and he'll eat like a brick of white chocolate. He just loves it. So I have a feeling he's not gonna like this. And I think this, I've never actually had it myself, but I think this is gonna be mid at best. I also think that this shit he's gonna think is so crazy overpriced. Huh? Oh wait, what? Yeah, they didn't include the cookies. Alright, so I just unpacked something, and man, this is really bad. They did not include a couple of things in our order. Like they did not include any utensils, which I specifically said to include utensils in like the notes section. And there's no cookies in this, which we ordered 4 cookies, which I think were like $4 or $5 each if I'm not mistaken. That is wild. Alright, well, bro, wait, interesting. The cup says Ruby Tuesdays.
Oh shoot.
So this was made out of Ruby's Tuesdays. Cause I don't know if you guys know, none of this is actually like MrBeast's like restaurants. So interesting. Alright. Alright, so Abraham, we finally got that food in. I know you're starving. That should make this food taste better to you. But let's see if that actually happens.
Bro, this shit took over an hour to get here.
Well, it's DoorDash, so that's not MrBeast burger. That's just people that use DoorDash. So like, you could order from Chipotle and it could take an hour too. It's just DoorDash. Alright. But they are missing like 4 of our items, like 4 chocolate chip cookies that I ordered. That's fucked. Like it's crazy. Also, this is all from a Ruby Tuesdays. Like that cup right there says Ruby Tuesdays on it. There's a couple things I'm gonna point out for sure when we start eating this. But all right, so we got a whole bunch of products here. MrBeast burger is one of them, but we're gonna knock down every single one of these because you're hungry. Let's just start off with MrBeast burger and see how it tastes.
All right, let's go.
So those are chicken sandwiches, so you can have any one of those chicken sandwiches. They're all the same.
All right. Oh shit. There's 2 patties that came out. Kind of dry. Really not much sauce on it. This is weird. Not that good. This is cheap, very cheap tasting.
So I just tried a fry. That is the soggy. Watch, come here, give me a close up.
I got Ruby Tuesday.
So all this is from MrBeast Tuesday. The way Beast Burger works is that these are ghost kitchens. So any restaurant that wants to like use their kitchen and then brand it MrBeast Burger, they do. So they send them like the inventory of the product, and then those kitchens just brand MrBeast on DoorDash. So that's how he was able to open up 1,000 locations. But I will say the quality of this food is ass. Like it's really bad. I thought it was gonna be better than McDonald's. I think it's worse.
I haven't ate at McDonald's in like decades because it was so cheap and I didn't like it. This is pretty up there with McDonald's.
Yeah, it's not great. I will also say this: if you wanted to get a fry, you had to get a combo. I want you to guess, out of all the food that we saw, so we do have a grilled cheese to try, and there's another burger. So there's 3 chicken sandwiches, 2 burgers, 4 fries, and 4 drinks. How much do you think it cost?
Probably somewhere between $45 or so.
$111. $111.
That's more than Five Guys.
Oh wait, that's including four chocolate chip cookies that we're missing too.
It's like $90.
So a combo, without including like the tip and how much it costs to deliver, is $15.29.
Who would ever buy that?
So we got 4 of those. Then we got 3 chicken sandwiches.
Dude, this is the worst shit ever.
Just for the chicken sandwich, it was $10.
Chick-fil-A is so much better,
100% better.
and it's like half the price.
This goes to show you that his branding is that important that this shit is making a killing. He opened up 1,000 locations.
But how would people keep going back?
I mean, I guess they are. Like, I don't know. He said in his first year, he did over $100 million off this.
Well, I see why. The fucking price is crazy.
Yeah.
The burger is definitely better than the chicken sandwich. Like comparing it burger to burger.
The burger I'd give like a 6. What do you give the chicken sandwich?
I would say the burger is maybe like a 6. The chicken sandwich maybe like a 2.5.
2.5, really? Wow.
Yeah.
I agree. Really? I mean, chicken's better than this, I'll say.
Yeah. Yes, this is worse than McDonald's. That's pretty bad.
I think there's no branding. Like at least like the only branding that we got. This is the only branding on the entire. It just said B style on a fucking bag. Literally no branding on like the product. I don't know if we just got a really bad like MrBeast Burger franchise. Even if we did, like that just shows that there are locations out here that aren't great. You know.
That's true.
Did you want to try the grilled cheese sandwich really quick?
Dude, it looks horrible. It's an upside down hamburger.
It is an upside
It's
down.
an upside down hamburger bun.
Are you serious?
It's not even melted. That's actually crazy. This is horrible.
Yeah, I would
It's
never.
at home.
That is just 2 slices of American cheese between 2 hamburger buns upside down.
I thought it was gonna be a lot better. I thought it was gonna be presented a lot nicer, have its own like brand logo type shit. This was bad.
All right, so obviously branding 0. It says Ruby Tuesdays on this shit. I'd say food quality. I mean, like overall, I'd say it's
Below
a
average.
4, 3.
Yeah, maybe. So really, so I thought when you were telling me about ghost kitchens, I thought you meant like they just got a warehouse and a whole bunch of people had different kitchens and it was used for a whole bunch of companies. Ghost kitchen means that they're actually going to like another restaurant and saying, look, I want you to sell my shit in your restaurant.
Yeah, so that's how this whole thing works so well. He did it during COVID when like full restaurants were closed and they only relied on to-go orders. Well, he basically went to all these restaurants and was like, hey, look, why don't I put my branding and then I'll give you the product, show you how to make it, and you just make my food and put it on DoorDash. He was saying that there were some locations that were selling millions of dollars worth of Beast Burgers, like one location during COVID, and he's like, and it literally like saved their entire business. All right, well, that was honestly disappointing, but let's go to the next product.
That was very disappointing, but I was hungry as shit.
I was-
So
yeah,
it might have been even worse if I wasn't hungry.
All right, next product. So this is made by a guy named Airrack, who MrBeast has actually said multiple times that he thinks will be like one of the bigger YouTubers because of the way he works. He does things like, I hired 1,000 bodyguards for a day just to see how people would react. He'll go into like public places with 1,000 bodyguards.
I've seen
around
that
him.
video. That's cool.
Yeah, now he has like, I think it's like 10, 13 million subscribers. Growing a lot. Like, I think over the last 2 years he did all that.
And so he sells this pizza sauce.
So yeah, he made this pizza sauce called Pizzafy, and supposedly like their thing is it turns anything into pizza, which I don't even know what the fuck that means.
Well, let's see. So here's a brand new bottle.
Oh,
Oh shit! It just the top just.
He opened it up sideways. Replay that. Sideways, like.
Replay.
All right. Pizza.
Is it really? Actually?
Tastes like pizza.
You're lying.
You're lying.
You're lying. You're trolling. You're
I
trolling.
swear, try it. It tastes like
You're
pizza.
trolling. You're trolling.
Pure pizza.
Whoa, that does taste like pizza.
You know.
Yo, that's actually impressive.
I feel like I'm tripping out.
That's actually really good. I actually kind of like that. I'd say like a 9 out of 10
That's a
for
good. That's
me.
a good concept.
For 2 of that bottle, because it only comes in a 2-pack. It's
Nine.
$20. So it's
9
$10.
ounces. So these are. Yeah, that's expensive.
Branding, I think, is really good too. Like Pizzafy is a perfect name. Like it tells you exactly what it does. It's also like an engaging title. Turns anything into pizza.
Yeah.
I like it. I'd give the branding like a 7.
I give the branding maybe a 6.
6. What do you guys get it?
I say I give the branding like a 7.
7.
7 solid.
All right, yeah. So let's go with taste. What do you think about taste?
I mean, for what it's trying to do, I think it's up there. I would give it a 9.
I'd give it a 9 as well.
I give it an 8.
We're like giving those scores because of what it is. It's pizza sauce.
Yeah.
And it tastes exactly like pizza.
Right.
But like, would you use the sauce?
I'd definitely use it if I'm making pizza.
Like, oh, as
Wait,
pizza sauce?
Pizzafy pizza?
Yeah, why not make pizza with this instead of marinara sauce? I think this would be good with maybe is also like breadsticks and stuff like that.
Overall, I like this product. I think
Yeah.
it's cool. I think it definitely like, I'm sure it gets sales. I'm sure it does. So we actually don't have the numbers on this
actually
one.
definitely
They weren't public, but. All right, so let's go to the next product. All right, Dude Perfect Beans.
I think you can do some trick shots with these cans.
We actually found out about these beans from Noah Kagan's video that we reacted to. I'll put the estimate right here, but it was in like the low millions and we had already reacted to it.
Yeah.
So when I bought these beans, they come in a 6-pack and it's about 15 bucks. Let's see what they taste like. Now, the Dude Perfect beans themselves have bacon in them and I know you don't eat pork. So what I did was I found another type of bean that the company does sell. It's the exact same company, it's just a different flavor. And this one's Dr. Pepper. So I'll go ahead and let you try this one when we try that one. And we'll tell you what we actually think
Dr.
of their
Pepper
flavor.
baked beans. It sounds
Let's
good.
see.
It sounds good.
Pull me up some beans.
So I'm gonna be transparent. I don't love beans. I'm not a bean guy. All right, let's try this. So
I'll try it.
this one smells like spice, like very spice forward.
It does. That's actually not as bad.
It don't taste as bad as I thought. No.
I'm not gonna lie, these are good
Oh, wait.
beans.
Oh, shoot.
Oh my god.
dang.
These are like one of the best beans I've ever had in my life.
You know
Like
what?
beans.
The more I eat it, the more it grows on me.
It's actually really good.
These are amazing beans. Like if these were at a store, I'd buy them consistent. What, do they taste like Dr. Pepper though?
Not really. They
Not
smell,
really.
they smell like it.
They
though.
smell like that.
Is it more like sweet? Is it a very
Yeah.
sweet sauce?
Yeah.
It's very sweet.
All right. So as far as branding goes, we can judge that one too. But this one, the only place where it says Dude Perfect is right there. Like super, super small branding. The value is their name, right?
that's
So
how-
for branding, I'd say it's really low. I'd say like 2 for branding.
I like the branding on that one though.
Yeah, and Dr. Pepper.
Yeah, that one's good branding. I'd give this, genuinely, I'm not a bean guy. I even preface with that, 9 out of 10. Like really good. A really good bean.
I give it like a 7.
All right, cool. Next product, MrBeast snacks. So it's called Feastables. So
Does it have some marijuana in it?
yes. What?
What?
Why would you?
What does that mean?
So something with that you should know about the MrBeast cookies and all MrBeast Feastable products, they're all plant-based. For the cookies, they only come in a 6-pack. So you have to buy 6 of those to get one. And it sells for $30. So it's $5 a bag.
That's
So
not
pretty on par.
Yeah.
And then for that chocolate bar, for 10 bars that come in that box, which you have to buy them, if you're buying them online, you have to buy a 10-pack. But they also sell these at Walmart individually. They sell for $30, so it's $3 a bar.
yeah.
Do you want, let's go ahead and start off with the cookies.
I like the packaging. I like it.
Really?
Should we put some pizza sauce on it?
And stop.
100 times better than his chicken sandwich. I give it a 7.
I give it like honestly a 4. Like, I think a Chips Ahoy is so much better than this.
Well, Chips Ahoy is not dairy free. You gotta compare apples to apples, milk to milk, dairy to dairy.
Now, as far as branding goes, what do you think
I
about this
actually
one specifically?
I like it. I don't know. I didn't know that was his logo.
I like it. I think the colors stick out a lot.
Yeah.
Like I think that it definitely pops off on shelves. Like, I like the branding. Branding's good. I'd say the branding is like an 8.
Why are you opening it like that?
I was trying not to break the seal, so keep it pretty.
See it.
Dude, this is thin. I don't think it tastes good. I don't like it at all.
You don't like it at all?
So the cookies are, to me, were a lot better.
Scale of 1 to 10 on taste.
Down there, like 2.
Really, that bad?
I think it's like a 2.
Like it's way better than it's way worse than a Hershey's bar.
Oh, way
my
worse.
gosh.
Way worse.
Yeah, I give that a 5.
I give this
All right.
like a 1.
I give it like a 3. You know what this is?
It looks like hot sauce.
It doesn't. It doesn't even look like hot sauce.
It looks like chicken sauce. It's the sauce you put on chicken.
All right, so what this is there's a YouTube channel called Hot One where this guy named Sean Evans interviews a whole bunch of celebrities from like Shaq to like the craziest guests, like
Yeah.
the A-list celebrity type guests. They have 10 wings in front of them that are doused in each of one of these sauces.
Right.
And basically how the interview goes is he asks questions, and as they go through these wings, the questions get a little bit more difficult to answer and the wings get way fucking hotter. And what that does is like it catches the person off guard because they're like fucking focused on their heat. So like their guard is down in answering questions that they may not otherwise, or say a response they may not otherwise. But this is the actual sauces that they use on set.
Okay.
So it ranges from like a sauce that you would use every day to a sauce that like is one of the hottest sauces in the world, using the hottest peppers in the world. Let's run through these sauces real quick, put them on a fry and see what you think.
All right.
So this is what the branding looks like.
The branding looks cool.
Yeah, I think the branding's really good actually. All right, so Abraham, what you think about that sauce?
I mean, it's got a little
Yeah?
taint to it.
So this is like 1,600 Scoville units, which is like Tabasco sauce.
I didn't taste a whole lot. I didn't get a whole lot of taste out of it, so average, so maybe 5 or something.
What?
No, hot sauce doesn't expire for a long, long time.
Damn. This is the second hottest.
Say swears.
I mean, it has a little bit of a tropical taste. Yeah, I like it. But if that's the second hottest one, holy shit.
That was only 4,000, so that's only double as hot. All right, so this one is 15,000. So this one really is triple. So this is the biggest jump you've seen so far.
He's putting less on the thing.
This one's not as hot as the other one.
Really?
I don't even taste that hot in that one.
So this one is 33,000 Scovilles.
Not that hot to me. This
Really?
one was hot, yeah. I don't like that flavor. But it's hot though.
Oh my gosh, he actually did.
Oh my god, that was a lot.
I like the flavor.
Flavor's good on this one?
actually ready?
The third hottest one.
So we're gonna do this with you.
The bomb.
The bomb. All right.
Already sweat. Yo.
Are you guys ready?
I
Nah,
loaded it.
No,
You guys ready?
You're tripping.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh, that's hot.
I told you, that's the worst one.
Damn.
That's hot.
That's immediate too.
So what?
It's like immediate. Like as soon as you put it in your mouth, that shit's fucking hot. So that one was 135,000. This next one is 642,000.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, that one tastes so fucking bad.
I put so
Holy
much
shit.
on there. Fuck.
You good, Max?
Yeah, I'm good. You good?
Oh my god. Where did Shovel go?
This is hot, bro.
This is the hottest one.
So we're on to the next. Are you ready?
Why are you going in with 2? You're doing too much, bro.
Are you guys ready? 3,
I
2,
put a lot on there. Look at how much
1.
shit on there.
Oh my god.
The bomb one is the hottest one.
That probably was to me the hottest one. The bomb. Damn, my tongue hurts.
This is bad, bro.
So my thought is half of them tasted like really bad. Half of them were like edible.
Bro, are you okay?
I get the appeal, but the problem was, I don't mind how hot shit is. I just wanted it to taste good. There were like 4 or 5 of these that tasted so ass that just ruined the experience for me.
Yeah, I agree. All right, Abraham, so we've tried all the products. If you had to rank these from like the hot ones being in the first slot and then MrBeast being in the last, how would you rearrange these in the order in which you like them?
That would be my,
All right, so it goes Pizzafy, the beans, MrBeast cookies, Hot One sauce, MrBeast burger, and then MrBeast bar. I think I agree with you fully, actually.
I would actually put the burger here and the chicken sandwich here.
Last Millionaire Tries Influencer Products video, you put Prime as the highest. So how would you compare Prime and Pizzafy?
Prime is better.
Prime is better. So Prime is the best influencer product that we've
Yeah.
tried so far. All right, guys, if you guys like this video, let us know in the comment below what other influencer products you guys want to try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and turn on that notification bell. And yeah, thanks for watching.
See ya.
Abraham, greater millionaire with the neck, the axe.